Hello, this is Dr. Marc Malek, board-certified plastic, reconstructive, and aesthetic surgeon. I've been practicing in North Scottsdale for over 20 years. Recently founded Preferred Plastic Surgery. It is a state-of-the-art facility that houses our medical spa, our surgical practice, as well as Scottsdale Outpatient Surgery, our facility for performing procedures and overnight stay. When you're invited into our practice, you will find a very warm, friendly staff that is very competent and very able to help you with all your needs. You'll be evaluated at your surgical consultation in a very professional manner that is educated and informative. Once your surgical procedure is selected, the next step would be your pre-op evaluation and then the procedure itself. In our facility, we have Scottsdale Outpatient Surgery. It's a state-of-the-art, state-licensed ambulatory surgery center. Our staff is hand-picked and professional. Our anesthesiologists with over 20 years experience are board certified. You'll be in the best of care throughout the entire process. We also have an overnight facility for those patients that have a longer surgery or multiple procedures combined. The privacy at Scottsdale Outpatient Surgery is unmatched. During these challenging times, it is extremely convenient and comforting for our patients not to have to go to the hospital. We have complete control of every detail in our facility. All your follow-up care will be handled at Preferred Plastic Surgery, again in the same center. We invite you to experience our hospitality, our kind care, and our surgical expertise through the entire stage, from your evaluation, your pre-op visit, your surgical procedure, and all your post-operative care. We'll be here for you every step of the way.